So if you have a JBL Clip 5 that won't turn on when you press the power button, then you have one of two issues. Either you've run out of battery, and if you've run out of battery, all you have to do is plug in a charger for a couple of minutes and then attempt to turn it on. Now, if your speaker is in lock mode, which means you're pressing the power button, the light comes on and then goes off like that, that means the speaker is in lock mode. So to unlock a speaker that is in lock mode, you need to connect a charging cable first of all. So plug a cable, of course with the other end of this cable, to a power source, and your speaker should charge, as you can see. And then it's gonna go off. So you wanna press the power button and the speaker will go on like that. Now with the speaker on, press and hold the play and Bluetooth buttons simultaneously. So press and hold and wait for about 10 to 15 seconds while holding until the speaker goes off. Like that. Then now you can unplug the charger or the cable and then turn the speaker on because it's now out of lock mode. Like that. Okay, so now the speaker is back on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.